remove the cable, and then loose the screw, and remove the foot section. Now the foot section is totally removed. The trolley type design for the shoulder surgical part can let one person to manipulate the connection easily. Adjust the height. And insert it. Lift the table. Tighten the screw. And connect the cable. Now you can see the shoulder part has been connected with the main table successfully and easily. And now we can operate the leg section to adjust the position. Now we can do the open surgery for the shoulder. We can remove these parts. Thanks for watching.